Guy Fawkes.
Hey girl, how you doing, monster truck?
A monster truck. Let's start with the monster wheels. Draw a giant circle here. And another giant circle here. Now, a circle inside each one for the monster hubcap. And then a circle outside each one. Those are for the monster tires. I'm going to add some lines for the monster tire treads on both monster tires. Next, we'll work on the monster chassis. Let's draw a large letter L above the back wheel, then a semicircle, and then another line that goes all the way above the front wheel. And once that's in place, draw a small rectangle. That's your monster bumper. Then a line straight up from the monster bumper that bends to the left. And then a slightly curvy line that goes up diagonally. This is the monster windscreen. And then a line going left for the monster roof. And finally, to finish the monster cab, a line coming down like this. Next, let's draw a line going left until it's above the L that we drew before. I'll just connect these two parts together with a line. Now that's the basic shape of our monster truck. Let's add some details to make it real. First, a trapezium shape for the monster window. Then, a semicircle right here for the monster headlights. Now, a bending line for the support, with another bending line underneath that one. Now we've got to connect the monster chassis to the monster wheels. For the side frame, I'll start with a small rectangle here. With a line coming out of each side. Then, short diagonal lines connecting to the monster wheels. Now we need some lines coming down for the rear monster damper. And another rectangle here, with a rectangle on top of that, and a few curvy lines that connect back to the monster chassis. I'll add a line from the chassis to the rear damper to fill out the monster truck. Now the front dampers, more lines. And now we can draw the decorations. A giant curve for the monster truck's mouth, with a smaller curve inside that. Then lines for monster teeth. Grrr. Next, 2 giant horns. You can draw a triangle on its side if you like. And finally, some jaggedy lines on the monster chassis that look like flames. And there's your monster truck, ready to roll. Happy drawing!